Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to use dry Kigelia africana fruit and its powder to treat sexual problems in men, as well as general skin diseases and enlargement of penis, hips, buttocks, and toning of breasts. Kigelia africana, also known as sausage fruit, is one of the quintessential African herbal medicinal plants, generally accepted due to its natural, wonderful healing and body enhancement. The fruit of this plant is used traditionally as a remedy for numerous diseases such as sexual disorders, skin diseases, body enhancement, and many more. To process this fruit into use, the matured fruits are harvested. The fruits are then cut in round sizes with a sharp knife, as showing. The rounded cuttings are further chopped into smaller pieces for easy drying. The chopped pieces are now dried under good condition, either in the sun or using any modern dryers to avoid fungal infection. After this stage, the dried fruit pieces can be ground into fine powder or boiled direct without grinding to prepare decoction from it. Please note, kindly protect your eyes when grinding the Kigelia powder because they put pains to the eyes when they come in contact. At Jibril Enterprise, we have both the dry fruit pieces and the Kigelia fruit powder well packaged in a commercial bags for local and international customers. To prepare decoction from the dry fruit of Kigelia africana, first get your cooking pot and water ready. Note, to boil effective decoction, 100 grams of dry fruit of Kigelia africana should go with 1 liter of pure water. Put the 100 gram dry Kigelia africana in pure water and wash them to give a good condition of your end product. Add the washed Kigelia africana fruit in the 1 liter of water in the cooking bowl and cover it. Allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you will see that your decoction is well drained and looks very good to be taken as herbal tea. You can now strain the decoction using a sieve to avoid particles. After sieving, pour your decoction in a glass to be taken as herbal tea. Please note, the daily posology or dosage of the decoction should be 200 to 250 ml. You will start to see good results after 1 week of daily posology if intended to treat erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, or for stamina in bed. On the other hand, if you prefer to use the Kigelia fruit powder to treat sexual disorders, you will have to add it in hot water, or you can add it to your fruit juice, porridge, soup, or any other food that can be taken in a liquid form. To process the Kigelia powder in hot water, you will have to first boil your water to about 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. Please note, the daily posology or dosage of the Kigelia fruit powder should be 2 teaspoonfuls or 10 to 15 grams mixed into 200 to 250 ml of hot water. For morning dosage, carefully add 5 to 7 grams or 1 teaspoon of the Kigelia fruit powder in an empty glass. Gently add 100 to 120 ml of hot water to the Kigelia powder in the glass. Stir the contents with careful to obtain uniform mixture. Due to the mixture constituents, you can decide to strain it to obtain smooth decoction. Please note, this is optional. It will be very good if you can drink the mixture without straining. You will start to see good results after 1 week if correctly taken in a daily basis. Again, Kigelia africana fruit powder has also proven to enhance penis enlargement, toning of breasts, and buttocks and hips enlargement. Please note, this aspect will only be effective and faster when you mix the Kigelia fruit powder with Kigelia fruit seed oil. This oil can be extracted from the seeds of the Kigelia africana fruit. This is the only way to use the Kigelia fruit powder to get good results for enlargement within a short period. However, mixing the Kigelia fruit powder with other oil like shea butter will give a result, but will take longer time to start seeing results for enlargement. Finally, but very important, skin diseases have been a general problem worldwide. But Kigelia africana powder has proven to be very potent on all kinds of skin disorders due to its antioxidant effects. Kigelia africana fruit powder has been traditionally used by African healers to treat skin-related conditions such as fungal infections, acne, eczema, sunburn, and insect bites. It is also known for its remarkable ability to restore skin's firmness and improve the elasticity of the skin and to reduce signs of aging like hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. For effective and quick results for skin disorders, kindly mix the Kigelia fruit powder with organic shea butter. Measurement of the Kigelia fruit powder against the shea butter is the most important part when mixing. To mix them to prepare your daily herbal pomade will depend on the quantity of the Kigelia fruit powder and the organic shea butter. To get accurate and effective mixture, your shea butter should be 5 to 6 times more in weight or quantity than the Kigelia fruit powder. For this reason, I'm going to use 30 grams of dry Kigelia fruit powder against 200 grams of organic shea butter. I am weighing my shea butter to confirm that it is 200 grams. Yes, this is 200 grams exactly as showing. I have to also weigh my Kigelia africana powder. Here, I'm going to use a spoon. Each spoonful of the Kigelia fruit powder is 10 grams. Okay, let's weigh the Kigelia powder in the spoon to confirm if it is exactly 10 grams. Yes, it is 10 grams exactly as showing. For this reason, I am going to fetch 3 spoons of the Kigelia fruit powder to get my 30 grams against 200 grams organic shea butter. I am going to stir it very well until I get a uniform mixture. Okay, my herbal pomade is now perfect and moisturized to be used on the skin, as you can see. Let me try it. Yes, it is very soft and perfect for the skin. Please note, Kigelia africana fruit powder is good for all kinds of skins, being white skin or black skin. So far so good. There is no observable side effect associated with the use of the dry Kigelia fruit powder and the dried Kigelia fruit. With regard to this, I recommend Kigelia fruit powder and dry Kigelia fruit to every individual across the globe. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for our future videos. Bye bye for now.